Activity Insights now logs more activity types and displays more detailed information about these activities to improve collaboration. One of these new activity types is Version Activity, which replaces DWG history. Let's see this in action. When a file is saved on a supported cloud storage provider, a new file version appears as a version activity on the Activity Insights palette. Click Compare within the version activity to view the differences between the current and previous version. The new Activity Properties panel provides further information about these changes. Click Exit Compare to end the comparison and close the DWG Compare toolbar. Activity Insights also logs purged activities in AutoCAD. Here, the Activity Properties panel shows how many total items have been purged, as well as how many of those purged items were blocks, dimension styles, layers, multi-leader styles, or text styles. Additionally, you can view activities to your drawing without opening the file. From the Start tab, click the vertical ellipsis and choose View Activity Insights.